Welcome to another video in RoboTalker's how-to tutorial series. Let's learn how to have conversations using text messages. Below we have our contacts. Simply choose the contact that you'd like to send an individual message to. Click the Send Single Message icon below. We've got a couple different options. You can either send a pre-recorded message, simply click on a live message, or a voicemail message that's been pre-recorded. Next, we've got a text-to-speech option. Type your message in the box below. Lastly, there's a text message option. Type in your message and send. On the right, the speech icon pops up. This means that someone's replied to a text message. Here are your replies below. Click here to reply to a text message reply. Click Send Message to reply. As you can see, the message has been sent. Lastly, when you get a text message reply, a message like this will pop up on your email. So if you'd like to reply via your email, click Reply to Text Message. You can now reply to your text message via your email. Click Send. Your message has been sent. And that's how to have conversations using text messages. Thank you for watching. For any questions, reach out via the phone number on robotalker.com. We're here to help you succeed.